Hello everyone! Now I want to show you how to make dance pole in your home and how to use this. So, this is the bottom dome and this is top dome. This is main pole A and this is main pole B. This is long extension, short extension and decoration. The last step is flange nut and 3 tools. So, this is a flange nut with 2 hoodles. So, before installing the dance pole, we must remember 3 important things. First, we must calculate the height from the floor to the top. Second, we should choose the place where we want to install the dance pole. And third, we should prepare the ladder in advance. And now we will start assembly steps of the dance pole.